Good afternoon. Today I will start the next chapter, that is sources of energy. Now, what is energy? Energy is capacity to do work. You have already read in class 9. If a body is having energy, it means that it is capable of doing work. Now, this energy we are getting from different sources. What is this source of energy? The source that provide enough usable energy at a steady pace for a longer period of time, that source we considered as a source of energy. The energy exists in many forms and can be converted from one form into another. Energy is mainly derived from natural sources like the sun, oceans, fossil fuel, wind, etc. Now, sources of energy we can classify as renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Any source of energy that does not get exhausted is considered as renewable or a good source of energy. Now, what are the characteristics of good source of energy or condition, you can say? First one, it should be easily available. Second is easy to transport and store. Third one, it should be economical to use. Fourth is it should have high calorific value and it produce less smoke. One more condition is there, that is less residue, it leave less residue after burning. So if the source of energy fulfill all these conditions, we consider that source as a good source of energy. I am repeating again: easily available, easy to transport and store, economical to use, high calorific value, produce less smoke, and leave no residue after burning or minimum residue after burning. Now, what are these renewable sources of energy? Sources of energy that are inexhaustible and can be used to produce, you can say, to produce energy again and again. We call it as renewable source of energy. Two word is used, it is inexhaustible and it can be used again and again. For example, solar energy, wind energy, energy from water, geothermal, energy from biomass, etc. All these are considered as renewable source of energy. Generally, these source of energy do not cause any pollution. Now, just opposite of that, non-renewable source of energy, sources of energy which are exhaustible and cannot be renewed or replaced or replenished once they have been used. Example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. They generally cause environmental pollution. Now, other way to classify sources of energy are conventional and non-conventional source of energy. Now, what is this conventional source of energy? Sources of energy which we are using extensively and it meet major portion of our energy requirement. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, energy from water, wind, and biomass. We are using it extensively and it meets most part or major portion of our energy requirement. They are generally non-renewable. Now, non-conventional source of energy are those which are not used extensively and meet our energy requirement only on a limited scale. Example, solar energy, oceanic energy, geothermal energy, and nuclear energy. They are generally renewable source of energy. Now, next you have to read, that is fossil fuel. I'm starting from non-renewable source of energy. And you know that non-renewable source of energy, especially coal, petroleum, and natural gas, you have to read. So I'm starting with fossil fuel. What is this fossil fuel? Fuel means which gives energy or heat on combustion. And fossil means the remains of prehistoric plant and animal. So together we can say fossil fuels are the remains of prehistoric plant and animal that get buried millions of years ago and which gives heat on combustion. Now fossil fuel are non-renewable and they cause pollution. Under this heading you have to read coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So today I am going to teach coal. Now coal is non-renewable source of energy which mainly contain carbon. Now formation of carbon, that is coal, sorry. Coal was formed millions of years ago. The plants that got buried under swamps and due to high pressure and temperature inside the earth, they were converted into coal. Now where we are using coal? Coal is used in steam engine, in the industries, in thermal power plant, as well as domestic fuel or as a kitchen fuel. Now, what are the different types of coal? Peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. Depending upon the carbon content present in it, peat is the inferior quality coal, whereas the anthracite is the best quality coal. Anthracite is used as industrial fuel, whereas peat is used as domestic fuel. Now, what is the difference between coke and coal? Coke is better than coal as it causes less pollution and it has high calorific value. Now, the coal belt in India, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh. Now, from here, write down 2 questions as homework. Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. I am repeating again. Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Second, what are conventional and non-conventional source of energy? Give 2 examples of each. I am repeating again. What are conventional and non-conventional sources of energy? Give 2 examples of each. Thank you. Have a nice day.